Understanding Pre-Launch Check, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome, learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase often used in various fields like technology, aerospace, and event management. Pre-launch check. This term might sound technical, but we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to understand. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning of pre-launch check. A pre-launch check refers to the careful examination and verification of all systems, components, or plans before initiating a significant event, project, or mission. Imagine it as a final, thorough review ensuring everything is in place and functioning correctly before the actual launch or start. This term is commonly used in contexts where precision and readiness are crucial, such as launching a spacecraft, releasing a new software product, or organizing a major event. Pre-launch checks are crucial because they 1. Ensure safety. They help identify and rectify any potential issues that could lead to failure or accidents. 2. Guarantee quality. By checking every detail, we ensure the final product or event meets the desired standards. 3. Build confidence. Knowing that a thorough check has been conducted provides peace of mind to the team and stakeholders involved. Let's look at some real-world scenarios where pre-launch checks are essential. 1. Space missions. Astronauts and engineers conduct numerous checks on the spacecraft and equipment before the launch to ensure a safe and successful mission. 2. Software releases. Developers perform pre-launch checks by testing the software for bugs and errors to guarantee a smooth user experience. 3. Event management. Before a big event, organizers review all arrangements, from seating to technical setups, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Performing a pre-launch check involves several steps. 1. Review the checklist. Go through a predefined list of items or criteria that need verification. 2. Test the systems. Ensure that all systems or components are functioning as expected. 3. Rectify issues. If any issues are found, address them promptly before proceeding. 4. Final approval. Obtain a final confirmation from the responsible authority or team that everything is set for the launch. Thank you for joining us on this exploratory journey into the world of pre-launch checks. We've seen how this simple yet powerful concept plays a pivotal role in various fields, ensuring safety, quality, and success. Whether you're launching a spacecraft or organizing an event, remember, a thorough pre-launch check is your key to a smooth and successful start. Keep learning, and until next time, take care.